Welcome back to Wheels and Meals. It's time for another authentic Durban curry. Today, I'm cooking a delicious mutton mince curry with peas and melting potatoes. Preparing our spices: 2 tablespoons of masala, mix 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon sumph fennel powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon jeera, cumin, powder 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon crushed chili. Whole dry spices: 3 cloves, 1 star anise, 1/2 teaspoon methi fenugreek, seeds 1/2 teaspoon, adwain, carom, seeds 1/2 teaspoon, sumph fennel seeds 1 teaspoon each, jeera, cumin, seeds 1/2 teaspoon, mustard seeds, 1 small cinnamon stick, 1 dried chili, 1 bay leaf. Let's start cooking. Heat oil in a pot and add chopped onions along with green chilies. Add the whole dry spices along with fresh curry leaves and thyme. Let them sizzle to release their aroma. Add the masala mix and ginger garlic paste. Keep the heat on medium-low and allow the masala to fry briefly. Add the washed mutton mince and 1.5 teaspoons of coarse salt. Let it cook until all the water is released and evaporates. Once the water has cooked out and the mince is well fried, add a bit more water to prevent burning, then let it simmer. Now add the potatoes. Here's a secret trick: coat them with a bit of egg yellow food coloring. It gives the curry a rich, appetizing color. Pour in a little more water to allow the potatoes to cook, then add the washed peas. Keep checking the curry. If it starts drying out, add a bit of water as needed. Test the potatoes with a knife after a few minutes. This also allows the curry to soak into it. At this stage, add blended tomatoes for a rich gravy. My second secret tip: when adding tomatoes, include thinly sliced onions, curry leaves, and thyme. This enhances the depth of flavor in the curry. Let everything simmer until the gravy thickens and the flavors blend beautifully. Once the potatoes are tender and the gravy is perfect, garnish with fresh coriander. Serve hot and enjoy this comforting, flavorful dish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if this recipe helped or if you learned something new. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Happy cooking!